In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe contacts in Aweber. We'll go step by step, keeping things clear and simple so you can confidently manage your list and protect your deliverability. Unsubscribing is a clean way to stop sending emails to someone while retaining their record for reporting and compliance, which is especially helpful for permission-based marketing. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Aweber. In the results, click the official Aweber website. You'll know you're in the right place when the address ends with aweber.com and you see the secure lock icon in your browser's address bar. That will take you to the home page. From there, click Sign In, usually located at the top right. Enter your account credentials and complete any verification if prompted. After signing in, you'll land on the Aweber dashboard where you can access your lists and tools. Next, click Subscribers in the main navigation. This is where your contact list is managed. If you work with multiple lists, glance at the list selector to make sure you're viewing the one you intend to modify. Keeping the right list in view helps you avoid changing the wrong contact. Now find the person you want to stop emailing. You can scroll through the list, but using the search bar is faster. Type a name or email to narrow it down. If your list is large, filters like status or segment can help you zero in on the right contact. Click the contact's name to open their information page. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct profile by checking the email address, any tags, and recent activity. When you're ready, look toward the bottom right of the subscriber's information page and click the unsubscribe button. Aweber may prompt you to confirm. Confirming will immediately change this contact's status to unsubscribed. From that point on, they won't receive broadcast campaigns or follow-ups from this list. Their record remains in your account, which keeps your reporting accurate and helps you maintain compliance without sending additional messages to them. You should now see their status marked as unsubscribed right on the profile. The change takes effect immediately after you confirm. A quick reminder before we wrap up. Unsubscribing is different from deleting. Unsubscribing stops mail but preserves history, notes, and analytics. If you unsubscribe someone by mistake, they'll need to opt in again to receive emails in the future since you can't force a resubscription. And that's it. You've successfully unsubscribed a contact in Aweber. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and replay any part as you follow along.